Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this quick morning yoga stretch to start your day right. Come and lie down in a slow and controlled way on your back. Knees are up. Head comes down last. Place your feet by the outer edges of your yoga mat. Turn your toes inward and lean your knees against each other so there's no strain in your lower back. Arms are along your body, palms facing up. Take a big belly breath in through your nose and a slow clearing breath out through your nose. Check in and notice how you feel right now. Keep your breath flowing. For a bridge pose, plant your feet parallel with each other, hip width apart, and your heels are close to your bum. Knees are up. Arms along your body, palms facing down. Now inhale, press into the ground, lift your pelvis up. Exhale to lower down. Again, inhale, lift your hips up, bridge pose. Exhale to lower. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, lower down. And the last one. Breathe in, lift your pelvis up, press your arms and palms into the ground. Keep breathing. Keep your knees in line with your hips. Really nice, energizing pose. And slowly, as you exhale, lower down. And then turn your head to your right for some gentle neck stretches. Bring your head back to center. And then turn your nose to your left. Back to center once more. Head to your right. And center. And turn your head to your left. And back to center. Head is in the center. For legs up the wall pose, begin to tilt your pelvis, press your lower back into the ground, and then lift and lengthen your legs up. Just hold it here for a few breaths. A nice mild inversion. You can keep your arms along your body or wherever is comfortable for you. It's a nice way to calm your nervous system. One final breath. And then begin to bend your right knee, flex your right foot, place your right ankle on top of your left thigh for reclined pigeon pose. You can hold on to your left thigh or the back of your left thigh. You can keep your left leg lengthened up or bend your left knee. So listen to your body, do what works best for you. And then let's all bend our left knee. Plant your left foot into the ground for a supine twist. Scoot your hips a couple of inches over to your right. As you exhale, gently let your knees fall to your left. Left hand can hold on to your right knee. Open your right arm out to the side and maybe turn your chin to your right. Breathe in your supine twist pose. Slowly prepare yourself as you breathe in. Come back to center. Align your hips. Make sure they're in the center. Lengthen your legs up. Reclined pigeon pose. Bend your left knee and place your left ankle on top of your right thigh. Flex your left foot. Hold on to your right thigh or the back of your right thigh. Keep your breath flowing. And then begin to bend your right knee. Plant your right foot into the ground. Get ready for your supine twist pose. Lift your hips up. Scoop them a few inches over to your left. Breathe in. As you breathe out, gently let your knees fall to your left. Right hand can hold on to your left knee. Open your left arm out to the side in line with your left shoulder. Maybe turn your head to your left. And breathe into your supine twist pose. Take one more breath. Slowly as you inhale, come back to center. Place your feet on the ground, knees are up, and turn over to your right side in a fetal position. And then from there, push yourself up and come into a seated, cross-legged position. Lengthen your spine. Interlace your hands behind the back of your head. Elbows are out to the sides. Inhale, open up, look up. Exhale, round your spine, bring your elbows together. Inhale, bring your elbows out to the sides, open your chest. Exhale, contract, chin to your chest. Inhale to open like a flower. Exhale, round and contract. Last one. Inhale, open your heart space. Exhale, elbows together, chin to your chest. Breathe into the back of your neck. Slowly release. Bring your arms down and let's seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides, palms are facing up. Inhale, gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Circle your arms up. Exhale. Unite your palms. Bring that beautiful energy into your whole being, into your whole day. Place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself that you took this time to stretch. And thank you so much for practicing with me. I wish you a beautiful day. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.